Did you know your brain, operating on just 20 watts of energy, similar to a dim light bulb, performs billions of calculations per second, managing everything from basic survival to complex thoughts and behaviors? What if everything you thought you knew about your brain was wrong? We're here to reveal how the human brain truly functions, separating scientific fact from popular fiction. Many common misconceptions persist, like the 10% brain usage myth or the idea that one side of the brain, like left for logic and right for creativity, dominates personality. Modern neuroscience has debunked these outdated beliefs with extensive evidence. The brain's intricate structure, featuring billions of neurons and trillions of synaptic connections, along with its dynamic electrochemical processes, make fully understanding it a profound challenge, leading to the persistence of many myths. Misconceptions often arise from oversimplified media information or the allure of quick self improvement promises, such as miracle brain training programs. Accurate understanding is crucial for genuine mental health and cognitive well being. Despite comprising only about 2% of body weight, the brain consumes 20% of the body's total energy, underscoring the critical importance of hydration, as it's 75% to 86% fluid, which profoundly affects focus, energy levels, clarity, and mood. The cerebrum, the largest part of the brain, is responsible for higher level functions like thought, memory, language, and voluntary movement, divided into two hemispheres connected by the corpus callosum for integrated communication. Beneath it, the cerebellum coordinates smooth movement, posture, and balance, while the brainstem regulates essential vital functions like breathing, heart rate, blood pressure, and sleep-wake cycles. The frontal lobe manages decision-making, planning, and personality traits. The parietal lobe processes sensory information like touch, temperature, and pain, and the temporal lobe handles auditory input, memory formation, and language comprehension. The occipital lobe is solely responsible for visual processing, enabling us to perceive, interpret, and make sense of colors, shapes, motion, and depth in the world around us. Neurotransmitters serve as chemical messengers that transmit signals between neurons across synapses, profoundly influencing mood, behavior, attention, and various physiological processes throughout the body. Dopamine drives reward, motivation, and motor control. Serotonin regulates mood, sleep patterns, and appetite, and acetylcholine plays key roles in memory, attention, and muscle movement. GABA, the primary inhibitory neurotransmitter, dampens excessive brain activity to reduce anxiety and promote calm, illustrating the delicate excitatory inhibitory balance of these chemical signals. Neurons communicate via electrical impulses along axons and chemical transmission across synapses, forming a vast network that processes information at incredible speeds, coordinating signals between brain, organs, and muscles. Synapses are the vital junctions where neurons exchange information, with neurotransmitters released from the presynaptic neuron diffusing across the synaptic cleft to bind receptors on the postsynaptic neuron. One of the most surprising insights is neuroplasticity, the brain's remarkable ability to reorganize itself by forming and strengthening new neural connections throughout life, even in adulthood. Learning new skills like a language or instrument, adapting to life changes, or recovering from injuries like strokes all harness neuroplasticity, proving the brain is highly adaptable and not fixed. The principle, neurons that fire together, wire together, captures how repeated simultaneous firing strengthens synaptic connections, building enduring neural networks essential for learning and memory. Neuroplasticity directly challenges the myth of a fixed, unchangeable brain, revealing its lifelong capacity for growth, rewiring, and adaptation in response to experiences and needs. We've delved into the brain's profound complexity, from anatomy and neurotransmitters to neuroplasticity, while dispelling myths to appreciate its true dynamic nature. Truly understanding how our brain works empowers us to promote mental health, boost cognitive functions through informed habits, and elevate overall well-being. Continue exploring the captivating world of neuroscience to unlock more profound secrets of the mind and harness your brain's full potential. Share your thoughts, questions, or experiences with brain myths in the comments below, and check out our other videos on brain health for deeper insights.